Hi everyone. Today I'm making a curried cream of cauliflower soup that is just wonderful to be served cold. Great time of year to be getting into some cold soups that's low in calories. There's no cream, anything in this soup that's bad for you. I do my soups up in a cup and a half containers, and that way when I get hungry, I have something immediately I can go grab. And I am not grazing around the kitchen looking for chips, cookies, or something like that. Okay, so this soup consists of one large head of cauliflower, or if you can find it like me, two small heads of cauliflower. Cauliflower is very high in fiber and low in carbohydrates, so it's great for if you're trying to diet. Anyway, after you chop your cauliflower up, you're going to add 4 cups of low sodium vegetable broth to it. The fun part of this soup is no matter what type of curry you like, whether it's red, green, yellow, you can do any of them with this, and it's really, really good. And I think it's the fact that it gets refrigerated for a while and it's served cold that the flavors really, really get into this. So anyway, you're going to cook that for about 20 minutes, and then you're going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric. And I use the curry paste. You can use curry powder, whatever's convenient for you. This is green curry paste I used, and I like it a little bit spicy, so I did 2 heaping teaspoons full of the paste. And I also used about a tablespoon of chili crunch in it. Like I said, I like it spicy. Did you know that the leaves and the stems of cauliflower are edible? So if you're making your homemade vegetable broth, you can just add your leaves and stems to it, and it cuts down on the waste of food. Also, you can't cook cauliflower in an aluminum pan. It will turn brown. This is going to get cooked for 10 minutes more, and then you're going to take it off the heat and let it cool down. Make sure you do that before you do the next process. Now you want to just puree your soup and put it in containers. I like to put it in a cup and a half at a time, like I said, and that's plenty to fill me up. And it actually fills me up for quite a while. It's a delicious soup. Give it a try. Thanks for watching.